Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and I picked up a camera. This is the Action Camera CT7000. It's 1080p, 170 degree wide angle lens, and my favorite part, a tenth of the price of a GoPro. It has Wi-Fi, so you can do Wi-Fi file print transfer or activate the camera from your phone. This is the camera itself. Um, it's pretty okay quality. It does have an LCD screen on it. It is not a touch screen. Uh, but that doesn't matter because if you have it in the waterproof case, which this is the waterproof case right here, it's not gonna you're not gonna be able to use the touch screen anyway. So you can use button combinations to get all through all the menus and do all the stuff. It came with two batteries, a charge cable, and the charge cable is just a micro USB charge cable, and that allows you to plug it into the computer, or it runs on a micro SD card, and I have a 32 gig micro SD card in it, so you just pull that out and throw that in your laptop. It also comes with a mount kit, and this has just about every angle and mount and everything that you would want to mount it to anything. So I guess the next thing we need to do is take this camera and test it out, and I'm going to post some footage here of a quick bike ride, and we'll talk about how good the video is. All right, I have the camera on. We're running in the 1080p mode, and it seems to be working pretty good. The only issue I had with after editing and stuff is the camera records in MOV format, which would probably be fine if you had a Mac or another video editor aside of the one I'm using. But I had to convert it over to a file format that the editor could use. The camera is hard mounted to my handlebars right now, so any shaking that you have in the picture is just the bike bumping around. You can see the stable shot takes care of some of it, but it also does kind of blur the image. All in all, it is a better quality image than I have been shooting on this channel with cell phones and random old cameras that I have. So it is a step up. The lighting is pretty good on it. I didn't really mess with the features. I kind of set everything to auto and just let it run. But I think this is going to be a little crispier. I might start shooting at 720 at 60 frames a second just to make the video a little bit better. A little lower quality, but most of you guys watch on your phones anyway, so I don't think it's going to make too much of a difference with the phone. But there you have it. This camera is going to work out pretty good, and we're going to see a little bit higher quality video on the channel. That's all I have for you today. Until next time, build stuff and have fun.